Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications on the Pinterest.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and tap on this home button in the upper left corner, then tap on the profile button in the upper right corner of the screen. Then click on Edit Profile, tap on Notifications in this left side column, and here you can enable notification on Pinterest. If you tap on this Edit button, you can enable these different options such as about the pins you saved, activity from people you follow, or activity from creators. You can also pick which notifications to get by email by tapping on the Edit button, and also by push notifications. When you are done with selecting all of these options, all you have to do is scrolling down to the bottom and tapping on the save button down below to update this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.